After all your tools are photographed, upload all the photos from your camera to a folder on your computer. Now, click the Add Tool tab. Start with the Full Photo Browse button. Once you locate the folder where your tools are, pick your first tool and double-click on the photo, or select a photo and then select Open. Do this for the nameplate too. If you have your receipt, add it as well. This is the best way to keep track of your tool warranty period and show proof of purchase if you ever need to file any incident or theft reports. Double-click on the nameplate photo to zoom in. Under Type, choose the Select an Option drop-down menu. This is a basic category that helps with the sorting. For example, if I'm entering a sliding compound miter saw, here I simply list it as a power saw. Further down, I can be more specific with the description. This helps for sorting later and allows you to view your full inventory of saws. Then break it down by types. Then do the same thing for brand. Select the drop-down menu and start typing the brand. Once you see it, select it from the list, and if you don't, you can type it in the box above. If your photos are good, you can use the OCR feature to help read the serial number and the model. Highlight the selected field and select the OCR button. If the return value is correct, click the wand from the field to autofill. If the tool is new and the serial number is clean and easy to read, this works well. If the tool is old and any of the information is beat up, it's not going to work. Once you have the brand, model, and serial numbers entered, if you don't have the receipt, click on the magnifying glass to do an instant lookup. This will help you more accurately price the tool. Without a receipt, you'll have to estimate the purchase date as best you can. If you have more tools to enter, click Save. If you're all done entering them, unclick the Add Another Tool box and hit Save. Your records are now permanently stored. If you ever need to edit or change the information, you can select it from the My Tools list and change any of the fields. That's it for the Add Tool tab. Be sure to check out the other short videos in each tab to learn more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.